Wecha bucha pasua. Aya twende nalo. I know. Sometimes some goes I look at you. Mikono tafadhali.
But it's not too late for you to draw your breath.
Select a fellow represented. What to see, what you done. Aya basema mi system dreams. Mi system. The tanking came over. Before the fire taking over. Whoa! Sema. Jabucha order. Inalo napenda githeri sawa. Lakini sisi tunaambia hivi. Aya basi sikiza. Wata misery. Baragat mawe. Wata Wechambaya, what do you say? Kudade inadededa inanganyamu kala aya sema Ruffy with the guns too late. Nimbaya. Aya skiza. Aya sema Ruffy with the gun too late. Twende nalo. Let go mamos sansa sit. Imefika ile siku ya kubali minijit. Na mkia supu na kildukulo na shiku mausiku kama kawa ni mafomu zita. Kanyaga. Aya wale wapenda Valentine Day sema. Aya skiza 18 yellow rosy. What do you say sema? 18 yellow rosy. Sema because I lose never see. You got chena. Wecha bucha lete gine nare. Wa. Kanyaga. What you gonna say? Sema. Come. Karala Sansama. Is weapose. Karada sawa. Never do nini. Never see cost to the bit. We select a fellow. Mama. Happy. And say. Sema. Is never do water. Never she cost the bit. Never. Wapi Dexter. Kanyaga. Weapons are taking an artist hour. Wavuje. MC Bad Boy. Select a pose. Na ndivyo tumedojo. Leo ni kuwatesa kuvunja. Kanyaga. Never do nini skiza. Select a fellow sema. Come, is go sema. Never do nini. Selector letter. Haya skiza skiza. Ati bucho na kibeokeda. You are a wanted man. Running away from a police gate.
You are a wanted man.
Wanakusakia nini? Skiza. I am the one who great to the shadow. Shoot within chainsaw. Granted to the nation. I say my brother, I saw regulation. I am in a kuliza. What you gonna do?
After you done your answer, now what you cry?
Poza maji baada kwa situation kama hiyo.
Didn't you know they were about to
I ask Skiza. I am the one who pray to Jamaica. President Chainsaw. Ready to the nations. I say my brother. Katiko. MC Bad Boy. Selector pose. Tupo ndani. Chambaya. Alafu pose le tengine nare sawa. Wavunja kuwavunja. Yo. Skiza.
after you done your answer.
Skia.
Now what you crying for? Didn't you know they were
Selector pose lipua.
There ain't no meaning. The iron I carry no feeling.
Jennifer Hillits. Skiza.
It's DJ Pose.
Na MC Bad Boy. I went to wanna feelings.
The iron I carry no feeling.
Sema.
There ain't no meaning.
Katika.
The iron
Katika.
I carry no feeling.
Katika.
There ain't no meaning.
One leg.
The iron
One
I
leg.
carry no feeling.
Fourth leg. Case Bakis. Ona Dojo. Kapanga Lane. Mabisule. Anza. Skiza. We select a fellow Karada Sawa. Wapi Drugstore. Kanyaga. Poza le tengine nare sawa. Walipua. Wangapi wanatambua hiyo? Aya sema. Aya. Fora sere. Skiza. Karada. What you gonna say? Sema. Ewe chabu, unachekesha msupa wako alafu anakwambia esi akiolewa atakumisa. Hauna bahati, hiyo ilishaenda.
It's DJ Pose.
Na MC Bad Boy sawa. For a city, amenieza go. Skiza. Promise to come back. Wow. Za all. What you gonna say? But as a mother talk many years ago.
when she heard that you are man.
Aya basi skiza. There's only one left in the family. Skiza. Remember me. Tell you what you are. I love you. Aya skiza. Kanyaga.
Jean's mother said that
ya lie. Ukamwa kwenda kufesi mamake hadi ukamwambia ukweli. Ulema ukwenda kumpata made ukamwambia
so how can I forget her now when she can share my life?
Kind mommy, I love your daughter.
You're just a ring. No one can make me leave her. It's no just a ring. So you can tell her anything.
Wepoze luvua.
But I'll never let her out.
Skiza.
Tell her how much I'm not her type. But one day she's gonna.
Aya sema. Kind mommy. Sema. I love your daughter. You're just a rain. No one can take her.
It's no just a rain. She told me I should wait.
Nibaya.
But she just don't understand that I'm a very impatient man. I won't let the horse
Diver. Dageda. Aya tu my message, peleka message sema. Take a message to Marys.
But don't tell her where I am.
Nakwambia tena, take a message to Marys.
But don't say I'm in a jam. You can tell her I have to see. Tell her that my ship set sail.
Chabucha.
You can tell her she better.
What you gonna say?
But don't tell her I'm in jail.
I love you for the current events. Take a message to Marys.
But don't tell her what I've done.
Aya skiza.
Please don't mention the stagecoach and a shot from a careless gun.
MC ni bad boy sawa.
Tell her I have to change my
Aya sema.
Soldiers in the street, spreading war all over.
What you gonna say?
Spreading fear all over the town. Soldiers in the street. Today. Chambaya wacha iwe mbaya. Soldiers in the street,
And then
spreading war all over.
Look at you.
Spreading fear all over the town. Soldiers.
Selecta lipua. Aribu rarua chafua kanyaga. What? Diver.
It's DJ Jose.
Diver. Shira. Wepoze vunja. Alafu sema. Sweet mama. Sema. I never forget you.
You're always in my heart wherever I go.
What you gonna say?
Sweet mama,
Wow.
I'll never forget you.
Chambaya wacha iwe mbaya.
The love you gave to me so special.
Kanyaga.
For all the
Kanyaga.
pain, there was no charge. And for all the
Skiza. Haya basi sikia hii sasa. Tunaita mama nani? Mama Fatuma. What you gonna say? What you gonna say? What you gonna say? Skiza. And then
Mama Fatuma.
You got you.
Port of Mombasa.
Two.
In the village of Mtwapa.
Asante sana.
Yes. Heal against the witchcraft.
Skiza.
With the African juju.
Wow.
Mama Fatuma.
Adaiva.
Asante sana.
Diver. Skiza. Kwanzi na gonna come for the thoughts. Kwanzi na gonna come for the thoughts. Kwanzi na come in a. Aya mina sema nini? Jamani. Aya skiza. Jamani. In the Castle Hills, Sean. Jamani. Ati rasta mana kwe. Skiza. What you gonna say? Twende nalo sema. Independent Hill Shaza. Jamana. In the catch of the Hill Shaza. Better take it easy, sawa. Take it easy. Scusa. Say Rose than the party. Better get easy. Wow. This sense. Aya skiza. Brothers and sisters, no cool now. Brothers and sisters, no having fun.
Everybody wearing a smile, taking it easy.
Aya skiza. You know got to confessional. You're not taking commotional. Skiza. Diver. Skiza. One leg, both leg, case paki, una dojo, kapangale, mabisole, India lover, you just tell the woods.
Love just not what you think it is, woman.
Aya basi sema, you want to call me on the calm, on hurry.
When you get space, you gonna give it
to me.
That kind of puppy love, man, no one that. I'm very sorry.
But you not do nini? Me roots. Sewa. Me roots. Karada. Diver. One leg.
Oh, ja. If I were to open,
what you gonna say?
Oh, ja.
Oh, just
Because what no dead not done. Oh.
It's DJ Pose.
now bad boy.
Oh, ja.
Kanyago. Georgia.
Because what
Aya
no
skiza.
dead not done. Oh, ja.
Oh, Johns.
The day I in a Babylon.
What you gonna say?
Oh, ja. Fighting in the
Wait, Chabukarada sawa.
in a Babylon.
What you gonna say? What you gonna say? We pose rarua.
Louise is a little Jamaica.
I'm gonna say it in a pinna.
My Louise.
What you gonna say? Skiza.
Louise is a
Vivid Jamaica's.
a land of sea and sun.
Wow. Sure.
The problem
Sure.
is
Sure.
no money,
Sure.
no money.
Sure. Oya wajamaa, tulia vile umetulia. Kama unapenda Viki sema aire. Sema Viki mnyama. Sana tano wafunze kitu sawa. Selector. Lipua. Kanyaga.
Sipping a glass of wine.
Splash in my hands and I got you my ways.
I think I was doing fine.
I excuse. And he didn't know the danger that it was about to come.
Until I felt it on my head. It was the bus.
I say right, alright now. Say right, learn my lesson well.
Never you met.
Such a bad reputation. It was very good. No, you can't catch it anywhere. Excuse me. Sure.
Wandering
Up and down, summer.
every neighborhood in my own town.
You can listen and over there.
Boy, I have been searching almost everywhere. Many years.
Hospital down.
Boy, you should have seen how many tears.
Basi mi nauliza.
The more I look,
Zero saisi.
now my heart is filled with the misery.
Ayauliza, where ya my daddy go? Sema, where ya my daddy go? Where is my daddy go? Where is my daddy go? Bumale, what's he gonna say? I must
suffer now. To love you.
pose wavunje hivyo sawa? Hapana hurumia. Kanyago.
In the wilderness. So weary and I have got no place to rest. So I am weary and I am alone. Please don't let me end up like a road.
Rastaman say,
Where my mommy gone?
uliza tena, where is the mama go? Sema, where is the mama go? Where is the mama go? Sema Bumale, skiza.
I'm not proud.
What you gonna say?
Suffer now.
Wacha buka rada. Wapi kibisu mpenda mademo?
So many years have gone by.
Wow.
This is love and scandal. This is love and scandals.
Skiza. Aya sema.
So one morning in our morning light.
She looks as sweet as you could down. But when she say she'll marry you, kumbe.
But now she's gone. But now she is.
Aya hiyo roho yako alifanya nini?
She's gone.
Sema moyo kupigwa mapanga lei. She broke your heart for her.
Another guy.
She broke your heart for her.
Another guy.
For another guy, for a guy. A guy you under crazy down. Information leaking so far. Diver. Skiza. What you gonna say? Kanyamba. What she do? Atali kudanganyaje? But when she say she'll marry you, kumbe. But now she is gone. She's gone.
She broke my heart for another guy.
But she broke her heart for a follow guy. A guy on the crazy down.
The information has been leaking so far.
What's he gonna say? Leah.
She said I'm listening until I beg.
Actress Sida, she'll never come back to me. You better come to the reruns. Wajama. Tulia vile umetulia, sawa? Tulia vile umetuli. Hakuna vita hapa, mnacheza tu ngoma, sawa? Mcheza tu ngoma, sawa? Cheza ngoma. Katika, sawa? Katika. Basi selector. Wavuje. What you gonna say? Ayaskiza. Ja children. Semester high, Seba. What you gonna? Wow. Scusa. The children, just say you call for my Chambaya. What you gonna say? Sama Rasta Manadu in the fire. Sama in the garden of a fire. Scusa. Wow. I am shika. Umemshika. Aya basi twende nalo. I am on the qualified position and I don't for the gun rejections.
I am not a qualified physician and I don't want to give this injection.
Sema. Umemshika poa.
Oh Lord.
Umemshika vizuri. Umemshika. Aya basi ingiza. I push it in. She pulls it out. I push it back. She start to shout. Dr. Eden is terrible. Nasi kwa nimemwaga. Skiza. I'm not steady.
It was difficult to give these.
Hey, wait, pause. Let's take it in our resort.
Holding onto the needle.
Let's take it in our resort. I said, darling, can't you be steady? Sema.
Clean up your teeth with eye and you don't like the Rasta.
Where Rasta? Karada.
Clean up your teeth with eye and you don't
Alafu wanasema
They go say we in a tenement. Baba wolf the monster dread.
what's he gonna say? Licky, laba, susu, forget a Rasta man.
Licky, laba, susu.
Skiza, dina balze.
Come on, you wake your mouth like a 20.
Nyonga.
Some of us,
Aya skiza. Bonga na yeye. Skiza. I know sometimes some girls I look at you. Mikono tafadhali.
it's not too late for you to draw your break.
Aya, what you gonna say? What's he gonna
So is what you're going
for me? Skiza.
So get out now before you're in too deep.
Skia. Sema. Me system. The galley come over.
Before the fire get hotter.
Bush Morisawa. I remember him. Alishaenda. I feel a little bit same tonight. I feel a little bit small. Chamba yaona village. Chamba na kuuliza swali. I feel a little bit. Sina bonga na wewe. Haya sema. When you born with nothing, you got up everything to take. Nenda ukaichukue. Shine down ya. Fire away. Shine down your way. Fire away. Skiza. Shine down your way.
We're gonna
To fire away. Skiza.
Tonight is a different thing, you know. Boom. Every night when I go to bed, I have the pillow under my head.
You gonna.
I remember what girl
You give me podom. Skiza.
She's the only girl
Rasta cheza ngoma.
that always makes the river flow.
Sema.
Man, I'm telling you all I know.
You give me podom.
In the evening when the
What you gonna say? Sema. I and I.
on the beach, where we sit in the sun all day.
Alafu sema.
Come let me take you on the beach.
A selector fellow.
Walk a mile as we play. This is time for fun, not to hit and run. Sitting in the burning sun. I am the man that I
Kanyago.
am, and this I want you
Kanyago.
to understand.
Kanyago.
Fire branch, and
Wow.
to be my lover. Fire branch,
Skiza.
come over.
Today. Wow.
And the music take over.
Select in the nare. Born in where? Wow. Sing my song. Music Africa. Sema. Ati we ni mzaliwa. Sing my song. Music Africa. Sema. I was born to dance.
Irene,
Aya basi sema.
Irene,
We Rasta. Nisaidie kuimba.
Irene.
Sema.
Give
Me say heights better because of
Give me the
Wow. Give me some.
night, make me cut it up fine.
Wow. Wow.
Me no want none left.
Ati unafilije? Sema. Feeling high so. Because na touching the sky.
Feeling high, so high.
Sema.
I don't want
So high. Skiza. Kanyaga. 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 Aya basi skiza na useme. Sema. Sema nani? Where are you go? Unaenda wapi? I'm going up to Zion. One leg. One leg. One leg. Kiss Paki. Unadonyo. Sema. Nati Bongo. Where are you go? Unaenda wapi? I'm going up to Zion. What's he gonna say? Nati Bongo. Where are you go? Wapenda Vicky Sound. Vicky Sound sauti. Kote. 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 Kote.
Sisi hatuna nguvu.
Kote. Aya sema.
Hatuna nguvu yoyote.
That my heart's gonna beat. But Daddy waits. Sema. Too late. Diver. Diver.
Daddy wake up is the time.
Skiza. Aya skiza. What you gonna say? Sema. Wow. 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 Sema.
There's a picture of paradise.
Kwa moyo wako umeweka picha gani? Kwa kijako umeweka picha gani ama umeweka picha za tabia mbaya? Saskia. Sema. Aya skiza. What you gonna say Nasa? There is a picture on the wall, Rastafari. In my heart, there is a picture on the wall, Rastafari. Fellow, selecta fellow Canada sawa. Where drugstore? Where drugstore? Ayasema.
How much is that dog in the window? The one with the white stairs.
Wow.
How much is
In the skies, in the windows, Giza.
I do hope that dog is for sale.
Sema.
Must take a trip to
Ewe selecta letengine ngori sawa.
I'm gonna leave
Wavunje.
home, Natalia. I'll return back to you.
Deka.
my little baby. 'Cause I need your love.
Deka.
How much is that dog?
Sema. What you gonna say? I'm in love with this woman. Living with the hori.
Side of town.
What you gonna say? Diver.
It's DJ
Diver.
Pose.
MC Bad Boy. ndani ya chambaya. Skiza with this woman. Skiza living with the old wololo. Basi mwambie but she don't how much I love her, but she don't how much I care. But I will lie no. If she loves me, Alexa. Aya. Wachana nayo, leta ingine. Aya, skiza. It takes a million of...
Sisi hatuna nguvu. Sisi hatuna nguvu yoyote.
Chude chambaya. It takes a million of people. But aya skiza. But skiza, take care about yourself. Lia tena. Sema tena. Selecta leta. Wabunje. Kanyaga. What's you gonna say?
Oh yeah. Oh Lord.
Wow. Nibaya. Kude. Deka. Shera. One leg. Both leg. Kiss packets. Oh, that don't.
Oh Lord, yeah. United States of Africa. United States of Africa.
Lia tena. Bas baba. Sema, when you came and told me you love me, I coulda know that you acted strongly. I coulda know that you wanted a lover for a day. Selecta leta tena. Lia tena. Bas baba. Sema, when you came and told me you love me, I shoulda know that you acted strongly. I coulda know that you wanted a lover for a day. A game thing and the heart is captured. My life was shared. And then you ran away. Selecta nyonga kata vunja chafua. Tunde. Living in it. Number 10. You can change any bar in the future. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Nibadwe kwenye mic.
Looking through the window. Just wanna see him as he passes by.
Diva.
Sisi hatuna nguvu. Sisi hatuna nguvu yoyote.
Sema.
Living in it. Number 10. Number 12 is the boy next door. Living on open street. I'm in love with the boy next door. Sitting in my bed.
All right. Sitting on my.
Wow. Just wanna see him as he passes
Chambaya hello. Vicky Mzuka. I'm in love with her. Ingine moto. Weka, 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 weka. Matopa re, matopa. Topa, topa. Haya, nipe top shotter. Inaitwa Vicky Mzuka. Goderera. Cheza. Weka. Weka energy. Chambaya hello. Sindo kumalo. Chabuna Darkman. Chabuna pose sawa. Tuko na Byron pia. Ambia mrembo hivi. Shida yenu hamna warembo. Kide kide. Kide kide. Kide kide. Wow, 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 wow. Ingine moto. Kiboko yao.
Hello, Carol.
And depending on you. Reggae na amani. Chambaya mbaya. Vicky no molo.
Hello, Carol.
I'm depending on. Napenda.
Hello, Carol. I'm depending on you.
Wacha tumalize.
Fever and fresh cold. I'm depending on you. From my
Woo-doo-doo, woo-doo-doo. Woo-doo-doo. Vane pose.
Just when I decide to change, you turn me down.
It's DJ Pose. DJ Pose.
Pose unaamua kuokoka.
3T sound.
Lakini bado unachezwa. Shetani alishinda.
Change, you turn me down, baby.
Team Vicky hello.
Change,
Chude nini?
down, baby. Never take it to the dance.
This man Alvo.
Show, baby.
Big up Jonte. Wow. Are you ready? One wailer. Kelele kidogo. Kesho ukiuliza sauti ilikuwa gani unasema Vicky sauti sawa?
3T sound.
One way love never sleeps, just goes deeper.
One wailer.
Pulls you in, takes you down.
This man mtapeli.
I knew what I had to.
Missing action.
Your life to get close to you, but baby,
Just one wailer. Tupendane sawa. Visiru na Vicky.
as I see
Wa 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 wa. Malice. Malice. Wepoze nipe dance.
it's been a long time going on.
Katoke wapi?
Looking for that right way of life.
Kumbuka bado tunaomboleza sawa. This man Morris hatuamini. Uanga mbaya.
Chambaya tunaomboleza, sawa? Maombi muhimu.
It's been a long time going astray.
Looking for that
Right way.
wake up, wake up.
Doing useless things with my friends. Thinking that they will
Chabu na pose uanga mbaya.
but somebody said to me,
This man Sharks.
all what I am doing will never.
This man Marcus.
I am gonna lose my.
Hey Manu, big up.
I'm gonna lose my life.
Sema, sema, sema.
One day I said to him,
Pose acha kierere.
how can I stay far away from?
Weka energy.
He said to me, yeah,
Weka, weka, weka.
nothing,
Nothing but prayer. Chambaya sema.
nothing,
Nani nitapea? Wawa. Nani nitapenda? Sema sema. Nani nitapenda? Uanga mbaya. Malis. Wa. Weka dance. Watu ni wengi. Aya, wacha tukanyage, sawa? Kanyaga. This man Gwesh. Security tight.
Shita.
Tunaenda hadi saa 6. Mpende msipende. Mi ndo Chabu nimesema, sawa?
Sisi hatuna nguvu.
Wale wa 10 sema. Together as one. Kazi ya Viki sauti. Bado tunaomboleza. Wepoze. Unajiita survivor, sio? Ushaijipaka avocado. We, mtapeli. Unajiita survivor. Ushaijipaka salad. Cheza dogo. Come around. Maintain. Ivo. Maintain. Bring it up now. Chabu na pose. Majama ati wananipea warning. Mi napewa warning kweli? Waambie hivi ya leo kale. Wacha tuomboleze na hii sasa. Ngoja. We Chambaya, ni uchungu kupoteza, sio? Tumepoteza Morris, sio? Wacha tuomboleze na hii, si ndio? Tunasema Morris, shine on your way, si ndio? Safi, pose, gwara tena.
Vihiga favorite DJ.
Kudade, mina dodeda. Vele kana moa kana banana. Ai, kuda. Unaomboleza kidogo. Wacha niwapeleke kwetu.
Ever see so many men at you if you wanted to dance. Looking for a little romance.
Alafu kesho tukutane Magui, sawa?
Enough a chance.
Magui mbaya tena.
Ever since the dress you wear.
Kazi ya Viki Sauti.
Ponytail in your head that treats me so. You really caught my eyes.
Baby be late to dance with me. Reggae na wajanja. This man Manu. Morio Morris Vane. Wacha tuomboleze. Wa.
Out of blood and fire grows freedom. The eyes of the world are watching.
Oh, Soweto.
Our hearts are with you.
Semaje, say no to your partner. Goderera, Goda.
It's DJ Pose.
Na Chabu Vane.
Blood and fire grows freedom.
Kijana Waingo.
The eyes of the world are watching. Oh, Soweto. Our hearts are with you.
Sema.
Say no to apartheid. Say no.
Wale watiaji nawaambiaje?
So you covered with the mud of oppression, but soon you'll be bathing in glory. Oh, Soweto.
Wacha tulipue. Say no to a partner. Say no. Wururu.
Soweto.
Sema.
Soweto.
Ya mwisho.
Soweto.
Napenda.
To apartheid.
Tunaitwa Viki Sauti, sawa? Team Kumalo kumaliza.
Freedom. The eyes of the world are watching.
Chabu na Pose, Super MC, Super DJ.
Our hearts are with you.
Say no to a part. We Kawange kuja, Kawange chess.
Blood and fire grows freedom. The eyes of the world are watching. Oh, Soweto. Our hearts are with you. Say no to apartheid.
Napenda yo energy.
So you
Wururu.
Reggae is a music come from Jamaica.
Wakilisha mtaa yako.
To light up the
Chambaya halo. Niko na Pose kijana wenyu, sawa?
reggae is a music come
Niko na MC Shax bado, sawa? Ule wa visiru visi.
wide world.
Weka dance, weka.
Reggae is a music come from Jamaica.
Hapana piga mtu.
Light up the whole wide world.
Jimvike twapenda amani, sawa? Malice.
Say what?
Baby.
Saying to me, did you mean to tell me it put you down?
Chabu na Pose.
And what? Lady
Jimviki Sauti.
with me, did you mean to tell me it put you
Live mix recording.
It put you on and I'll take you in and give you loving that a real man bring.
Malice. Ambia mtoto hivi, sawa? Come to me. Go derera. Kudade, mina dudi. Vile kana moa kana banana. Ai.
come to me,
girl. Come to me, come to me, come to me, girl. You got one foot in and the other.
We mix za Viki tafuta pose sawa.
If you got a dot, riddle me this and riddle me that. If you come to me, girl, you're gonna.
This man solo.
Come to me, come to me, come to me, girl.
This man Sidika.
I want you. Come to me, come to me, come.
Kidundu Massive.
Watch your face again.
Wow, 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 wow.
Watch out.
Chambaya, hello.
You're only acting like
You want somebody.
but me don't know, say you know nobody. You only a show off your painted face, y'all. But underneath that face, you're just a disgrace.
You're a brand new second now.
Yeah, no man don't want you.
Wale wa Chambaya. Chambaya mbaya. Viki mbaya. Chabuna pose. Weka dance. Weka.
Whiny, whiny,
Wangapi wangapi?
whiny, whiny.
Wangapi wangapi?
Too much, too
Police.
much. You whiny, whiny. You whiny, whiny.
This man Onana.
Whiny, whiny. Too much.
Wow, 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 wow. Hey,
That one
hapana maliza.
don't make it.
Weze bakisha kesho pia, sawa? Wacha tuone madara.
You sleep with your gun.
Under your pee. Kazi ya Viki sauti, sawa? Wacha tuwabambe.
You sleep with your gun.
Under your pillow. Wake up, dance.
You cause so much pain
And
and sorrow.
Police.
Killing makes you high and keeps you mellow.
Alafu nawakilisha mtaa yako, sawa?
In your best friend and some innocent fellow.
Wepoze.
The best thrill to you.
Habari yako?
Pull the trigger. I look if you live
Unafilaje?
tomorrow. Oh oh.
All body.
Murderer,
Chambaya.
murderer,
Viki sauti.
murderer.
Viki sauti.
Time, yeah.
Wow, 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 wow.
Murderer, murderer, cold-blooded murderer.
Wacha tuwamalize. Wow, 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 wow. Kubaya leo. Chambaya ni kubaya. Kubaya. Malis. Bakia tano twende zetu, sawa? Wachi kubambe.
Someone's crying, my Lord. Kumbaya,
Tulianza kitambo, si sahi.
crying, my Lord.
Chunga rika yetu.
Someone is crying, my Lord.
Leta leta. Wururu, wururu. Kelele kelele. Chambaya wachi wabambe.
18 yellow roses came today. 18 yellow roses in a pretty bouquet.
Chunga mali yako isikuliwe.
When the boy came to the door, I didn't
Poze nasikia ugode.
when 8
Poze godarela.
roses came.
Niko na Mbogi wa Mlalo pia. Niko na Mbogi ya Chinua Mchinduri. Mbogi ya Chambaya.
18 yellow roses came today.
Unasemaje? 18 yellow roses
in a pretty bouquet.
Niko na Mbogi ya 1010 sauti.
When the boy came to the door,
Nikisha promota salamu.
what to say? When 18 yellow roses
Chabu na pose sawa. Kesho kiulizo unasema ni Viki.
box to see what it's
Wajukanye wajuka. Time she was a great God. Tunataka kitu moja sawa. Peace and unity. Wapenda amani. Niko na DJ Dragster. Timio Mulalu. Thank you for your support. Wepoze, wacha tuandikishe history. Kesho magui mbaya. Empress Irene, big up yourself. Sheila Chambaya. Kumbuka bado tunaomboleza, sawa? Happy ho. Wale wa dance deadly. Wazee wajukanye kidogo, sawa? Wangapi wanataka kuokoka sasa? Viki sauti. Uliwatumia Viki. Wa Godharera. Wacha tuomboleze Morris. Wakembeshe. Zam. Uliwatumia mitume.
Zamani uliwatumia manabii. Zamani uliwatumia.
Haya, poze watoe huko sasa.
Zamani uliwatumia.
Wa. Tunaomboleza Morris, sio? Chambaya mbaya. Wacha tuokoke. Twende juu Sayuni. Chambaya.
Twende juu Sayuni.
Mji wake Bwana, wale Waigakala.
Twende juu Sayuni. Mama. Twende juu Sayuni. Baba yangu. Twende juu Sayuni.
Aya, alafu kuna ingine nasemanga aje. Rafiki yangu mpendwa, naja kwako siku mingi, wanikerea kwa huzuni siku zote. Wow. Maliza.
Happy.
Alafu niko na hii yangu sasa hapa. Sambaratisha moyo wangu kwa kila kitu, my baby. Si unajua moyo wangu ngumu kupenda watu wengi. Ukiniguza I like it, ukinipapasa malas. Ukisikia Chabu na Pose ogopa. Alafu niko na ingine, nilete nisilete. Nilete nisilete. Wa. Siku mingi wanipokea
kwa uzuri siku zote.
Ma Empress sema
Wakati sina
wanipa nitaka
usiti nisemacho wako sawa, waniombea Mungu moyoni mwangu, najua nina rafiki.
Mitini dawa, mitini dawa. Malis. Malis.
Shida.
Chabu na Pose. Asikie ingine moto.
Lati konja subugudu.
Wa. We kumbuka kuoga, sawa? Wacha tukanyage.
Hakuna kweza neza tengiza na bling bling bling. Jacqueline.
Ati kesho ni shule vane. Haya, sikiza story. Nilikuwa na mchumba wangu, tulipendana kama nyama choma. Alibahatika kwenda ng'ambo, chuo kikuu kwenda kusoma. Miaka mitatu kwenda shule wewe. Malis. Hiyo ni kionjo ya kesho, sawa? Donjo pale Magui. Haya, tuimbe hivi. Kuna mahali tumefika sasa, wewe ni Ebeneza, sio kwa uwanja wako,
ila ni kwa uwezo wako. Mahali nimefika baba, acha nikuse.
Haya, wale wa mapenzi twende. Wacha guza moyo. Guza moyo. Can't be broken by someone. Ambia mdemu hivi. Tano za mwisho sasa, twende zetu. Katika ya mwisho, unafilaje? Ukivuta kiumbidho, sawa? Ya leo kale. Hi. Malis. We bakia mbili twende, sawa? Ngapi mbele? Pavara. Kumbe kuna mrombo sana. Oh! We Pose, ngoja nicheke. Wa. We Pose, bakia mbili ya mwisho, wacha wamalize, sawa? We ngoja Pose, nimeona kitu tamu.
I'm not ashamed of the gospel of joy.
I'm gonna preach the gospel. We kuna mrombo sana kumbe.
Gospel of joy. I'm gonna preach the gospel of joy.
Aya, ya mwisho sawa? Ya mwisho, ya mwisho, ya mwisho. Unafanyaje? Easy come, easy go. We tosha, 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 tosha. Aya, ruka, ruka ku stretch. Tufanye zoezi, tufanye zoezi. Why wanna shave my dreads?
I wanna shave me dreads. Why you wanna shave me dreads? I just wanna shave me dreads. I don't wanna shave a dread. Why's a man no shave a dread? Only as a shave a dread. I wanna shave me dreads.
Wait.
Wonder why you wanna shave me dreads? Why you wanna shave me dreads?
Chambaya tunawapenda tena sana, sawa? We Chambaya tunawapenda, sawa? Wacha tufanye hivi, sawa? Mlikuwa wapi o masaa? Haya, tunamaliza sasa. Nasema asante kwa mbogi yote. Mbogi wa Mlalo, Igakala, Chambaya, chini ya Mchinduri. Bring me your cup. That Malice. We. Atutafanya hivyo. Ya leo kali, sio? Ya leo kali, sawa? Ngoja, Pose, tulia. Ona, majamaa. Si tunaitwa Team Viki Sauti, sawa? Hatupendi vurugu. Sisi, unaona aje? Tutafute kesho pale Magui. Tarudi hapa Wednesday, si ndio? Tunapenda amani, sawa? Wacha tuifanye hivyo leo ya mwisho, si ndio? Tukutane kesho. Nawapenda sana. Masai ni ruhusu. Masai ni ruhusu. Ongeni na mdozi ndio huyo hapa. 2 1 2. Ona. Ngoja. Oe. Kelele. Hey. Wanasema tumalizie scandal. Ati love and scandal. Pose, wanasema love and scandal ya mwisho. Hapana, leta mchanganyiko. Sema, all right now. Ati learn my lesson where. And about meditation, I think I was. Haya, wacha tuomboleze sasa, sawa? Seriousness. Maurice Vane. Unasema Maurice. Unasema nani? Asbaina.
She broke my heart for another guy.
Now my heart is filled with the misery. Mommy gone.
Chabu na Pose.
Shida.
Tukimalizia tunasema hivi. tunapenda amani, sawa. Team Vicky Kumalo kufinish.
So one morning in a morning light,
She look like sweet.
when she said,
She married. Why Morris? Nani? Morris Vane. She's gone. Wacha tuomboleze. She broke my heart for another guy. She broke my heart for another guy. For another.
the guy you under pressure, the information has been leaking so far.
Tunasema Morris RIP, sawa. Alafu pia Team Vicky tumepoteza Clay. Nasikia kugodha Godherera.
This is love and sky.
Kuna youth wetu pia amepotea.
This is love and sky.
Anaitwa Clay Transporter. Kutoka Chavugami pia Vicky tunaomboleza, sawa.
Alright. So one morning in a morning light,
She looked rusty
as she could be, but when she said
she married me, but now she is gone.
But now she is gone. She's gone.
Alafu niko na pesa naweza walishe hii mwaka yote.
She broke my heart for another guy.
Sema.
Broke my heart for another guy. For another guy.
This man Clay.
A guy who I'm that crazy then. Information has been leaking so fast. Leaking.
Tunaachwa na huzuni.
Leaking, yeah.
This man Clay. This man Morris. Cause I love. Cause I love you. Team Vicky tunawapenda sana.
Yes, I love you. Girl, I never tell you lie.
Cause I love you. Wepaze Siminya. Tumesiminya kwa leo, sawa. Sema ra. Vicky ni fire si fire. Ya leo wacha. Anasema ati tucheze ya mwisho na ati ati gani? Madara. Chambaya Madara. Are you ready Madara? Hapana. Kumbe mnanipenda. Haya, nawapea mbili ya mwisho.
Kutumaini sina, ila damu yako Bwana, sina wema wa kutosha, dhambi zangu kuziosha.
Kwa kutumaini sina,
ila damu yako Bwana,
hatusikii kuzima,
wema wa kutosha, dhambi zangu kuziosha.
Yani
kwake Yesu nasimama.
Hapo zo wanasema ugonge ya mwisho tuende.
Salama, ndiye mama ni salama. Ndiye mama ni salama. Kwake Yesu nasimama.
Ndiye mwamba ni salama.
Ndiye
Penda kuzilika, penda checks, penda tight.
Mnapenda hiyo tick.
Piwa bamba, penda hii, penda that. Sio bati ende chap, penda hii, penda that. Sio bati ende chap.
Kudade, mina dudida, ai. Kana banana, ai. Mina dudida, ai. Chabuna pozenu molo.
worship is holy.
Alright.
Sing like
Set it,
Pick up, set it, pick up.
set it, you have it. Pick up, so let me set it, you have it.
Chambaya tunawapenda.
chape chape nisetie ni shande 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 koja mapitini.
We Chambaya, tunawapenda tena sana. Team Viki, Sauti Entertainment, Chabuna Pose, Nomolo, safi. Gotea Dozi, ambia Dozi, anaitwa Promoter Viki, sawa. Mwambie hapa, imekuwa uwanja sasa ni shamba. Asanteni, mbarikiwe.